raga nofana njani iphenyo lokuqinisekisa ukuthi umvikeli womphakathi ukulungela ukuphatha i-ofisi na. Lo mbuzo osarare ipalamende kunye nabaluleki bezomthetho. Nanyana kunjalo ipalamende iyokufaka isibawo sokuzibilayeza ekhotho ephakemeko. Ikhotho ephakemeko ithethe isiqundo sokuthi umkhwebani unelungelo legcotha lombuso beyaphatha nendaba yejatshiselo elithethe umhlalaphasi elifumene ukuthi kulandelwe icala lokuthoma likamkhwebani ebelinobufakazi bokuthoma.
The only thing that we can do is to put on hold the functioning of this committee right now up until this process of appeal goes through, so that we are not seen as undermining.
The appeal should go in, and that parliamentary legal services should work with the NA table and those who are involved intimately in the case to explain the way parliamentary committees function and the way they are established in accordance with our own rules and with the rules of the Constitution.
I think the court is wrong. I think the judgment is wrong. And if you talk about interfering into each other's processes, then I think it's interference into the legislative arm of government.
Once the appeal is registered,